Hi everyone, a good day from me, from Australian Parliament House, as you can see from my backdrop. It's almost 7 o'clock and I arrive almost as early as possible, take my spot, get ready and talking to politicians today. Today I just want to bring your attention, especially women, children and affected by internment camp, forced labour, and as well as forced sterilisation. And yeah, as you know, since 2017, we pretty much everywhere, every corner of the world, all Uyghur community stand up. We up against mass internment camp, what China has created, over 850 camps right across East Turkestan. Now, as a result, we have vast numbers of children became displaced, homeless, taken to orphanage, and as well as government state managed boarding schools. So now we're talking about 2024. So from 2017 until 2024, now almost 8 years. And what do you think about what's happening to those children? On the one hand, China excessively used sterilization, making sure women do not have any more children. So which means a massive reduction on the population growth. On the other hand, the one family actually teared in pieces, fragmented, and put it into 4 to 5 different places. Children end up at least 3 different state-managed orphanage and boarding schools. They haven't actually reunited. They never actually came back and became one family. And so as this goes on, and this has already become intergenerational issue, this will impact our next generation and the next. So as a result, so-called race-based erase and as well as discrimination you call, but what I call this is actually cleansing. It's very clear word, it's a cleansing. As we speak, that's what's happening. So I would like to pay attention to those small elements. And the last time when we calculated, roughly there was about 950,000 children affected by internment camps. And what's happening now and what's the actual number, we don't know, because we don't have that actual reliable information coming out of our homeland. So please watch out and pay attention to those elements if you really care about Uyghur people. Thank you.